So welcome to a new vlog. I don't know how many days I'm going to vlog because obviously I've got college on Thursday, Friday and Mondays. So I don't know how much footage I will get, but today I have Skyman coming. We've also got to get the two pooches to doggy daycare for like a tour of the site and stuff, so that's that. I was going to get Madam up for her first wee of the day. Good morning, Scubs. So that is that. So I'm up and dressed bright and early. Come on then, missus. Wee wee time. So that's that. And then yeah, I'll just figure everything else out. Sky, come on, wee wees. So I just hello Hughes. Laundry on. Got some towels that I might need to go on again. Which is going to take 14 minutes, and then I think what I'm going to do is have my broom outside, and then I can come in and I need to figure out my college email issue. I can't really film them until after 9, so I'm going to do that. So it's about 20 to 9 now. I'm just sticking laundry on. So nice! So, the two dogs are having some spotted ball. We made a slow cooker for yesterday. So I've had breakfast. I'm actually on what I needed for college after phoning up the online support. So I'm finally on what I need. Now we have no Wi-Fi. Well, we've had no Wi-Fi all week. So yeah, just waiting on Skyman to arrive, who is going to tell Kobe when he's arriving, who's then going to tell me so I can get these two sorted. What's going on? So I'm just trying to get laundry done, because believe me, we have enough freaking laundry. Doing that sea lifting. I'm just trying to get this garden clear as well. So going. So right now we've got some drying. I'm gonna go put some away. We've also got to bring the wash basket down so that I can get laundry on. Come on, Sky. And yeah, all in the time of waiting for Mr. Skyman to arrive, because honestly I'm so tired, but I think it's going to take a few weeks for me to get used to this whole going to college 3 days a week, doing the work, all that kind of good stuff. I think that's going to take a bit of time to get used to. So yeah, I'm just going to take this up and I'll speak to you all when I'm up there. So yeah. So, Sky, no. So I am now just gonna try to upload some bits that I need for college onto the desktop, because I don't want to have Office on here and I need Office for my course. I've also ordered a stand for my screen because it's too low down. So I've done that. I've ordered that, should arrive tomorrow. I've got a ton of work to do. I've also got Skyman coming hopefully soon, because it's already 20 past 10 and I've been up since like 8:30, just to make sure that I'm up ready for Skyman. That was a lorry going past. So yeah, it's all kind of a little bit crazy, and I think I'm going to move my mouse to the Wi-Fi one, not the Wi-Fi one. It has like a little wireless mouse that I have, just because I think that's the best option. But we'll see. But yeah, I'm just going to try and download everything that I need, and then we can crack on. Cause yeah, so once that's done, I'll be back with you. So we finally got the Wi-Fi thing sorted. It was basically a couple of wires that like eroded. So yeah, so I'm now trying to set up to go for a doggy daycare talk with my two butchers, which happen to be in the crates, just because with Skymen and things, it's a lot easier just to kind of have them in the crates. So that's where they've been like this whole time. I'm now also going to try to set up Sky TV box, because it kind of resets itself, and because we had no Wi-Fi it couldn't rejig itself, and oh, honestly it's been a right kerfuffle. So I'm just going to try set this one back up, because it now means that we have Wi-Fi. We should be able to set it up, and then I'm going to get them ready to go to daycare, because it's going to take me about 10 minutes. I think we could be back up and running. Yes, we're back up and running. Thank God. So yeah, I just need to make sure I have everything. So I'm just gonna pack my bag and then I'll get them out, because it is like 12:20. And yeah, my appointment is at 2 o'clock. So I just kind of want to make sure I have everything, so that we can just get in the car and go. So we have Hugo Bear's stuff, Sky's belongings, what else is there? Grab everything else that I need, like car keys and sunglasses and all that good stuff. Because let's be honest, they are needed. So I'm just gonna quickly grab all of those stuff, and then we can like go. So I think we're just gonna go out the back way, because it's actually easier, because my car is out the back, to just crack on and go out that way. Yeah, so glad that I can now have Wi-Fi. It now means that I can get on my college work and not need to use my phone data, because that is honestly what I've been having to do. I'm also going to get a video uploading while I'm out. It should have gone live and hasn't, because of the Wi-Fi issue. So that is what I'm going to very quickly do, just put it onto private while I am out, and then go from there, because honestly it's very much needed. So the daycare visit failed, because I was like 3 minutes late, and then I stood there for like half an hour just waiting and nothing happened. So honestly I was like, you know what, like let's just sack that off. So I'm now gonna go and start making tea, because it takes 1 hour and 5 to do, and to be honest, when hubby gets in, I want to be able to not spend an hour making tea. So that's that. I'm just gonna go grab my phone charger. I have zero idea why Sky has brought her cover off of her bed into the front room. I really don't know. Yeah, so that's kind of that. I've managed to find out if I'm in college on Thursday, because there was a bit of a confusion about that. But we are in college, which is fine. Yeah, so I've also got my vlog on my external hard drive, and I'm going to go upstairs and kind of grab everything that I need, like phone charger and my phone charger, I think. So yeah, it kind of failed the whole daycare visit thing because like I'm not waiting like half an hour just to get seen. So we are kind of weighing everything up, and yeah, that is up. Sky, get down, missus. Sky, please move. So, get down, missus. Go on. So that is now everything set up. Thank God. Download. Leave Office doing its thing. Which now means I can just get everything going. So tomorrow I have nails. I've also got the electrician coming back because yeah, just have the electrician coming back. I'm gonna go make start on tea because we are having crispy beef with noodles. So we've got like baby corn going in there, peppers. I've forgotten. I don't need peppers for another meal, but it's fine. Let's grab some more peppers. Yeah, so I'm gonna go make a start on tea because I want to make tea. I mean, it is kind of early. It is. I've just heard back off the daycare. You know what? I'm gonna quickly send her a response. But I can do tomorrow. There should have been someone at reception. There wasn't anybody. So I'm just gonna quickly respond. Just ring Bobby. It's just that that one is like perfect location. So, sorry, I'll just try and figure that one out in a bit. Like I say though, I'm gonna go make some tea. I mean, it is early, it's 4:45, but by the time I've made a start on it, if I start at 4:45, it'll be 4:45 by the time I've finished everything. And honestly, tea is gonna stress me because it's quite a lot of work. It is crispy beef, so I need to try to figure that one out. So yeah, just need to figure out when to go to like daycare with them because for like a tour, just so that we can sign them up, because honestly it might be easier just to go next week because Mrs. will be pretty much out of her season, and then get them started like literally the week after. Come on then, Mr. Man. So yeah, that is that. So I think that's probably what I'm gonna suggest to them if they get back to me. Yeah, but we shall see what is going on. So let's go make tea. Oh, I'm so glad I opened up these kitchen windows. This kitchen is disgusting, but right now let's make tea. That's fine. But yeah, I'll speak to you all later on. So it is Thursday morning. I didn't actually vlog yesterday, only because the electricians were here for so long and then I fell asleep, so I just didn't. So I was letting Sky out for a quick wee. The girl, then I'm gonna go jump in the bath because I have college later, and I need to be clean for college, so that's kind of what's going on. We've got tea. We did the food shop yesterday, so you guys will see a food haul, which I filmed and I was so tired, and you can probably tell in the video. Sky, what are you doing? What are you doing? Are you going out as well? Nope, win. Good morning, you two. So I kind of like give you a bit of separate mummy time. Just it's how we've started to do things, because I do feel like he gets a little bit neglected because of everything. So he kind of gets like separate mummy and son time, if you can call it that. Like, I'm ridiculous and I call my dogs my children. So yeah, that is what's going on. So I'm just gonna make them their breakfast, which is a combination of dog meat that we just get the tins because it's easier, there's 2 of them, and Heroes biscuits. So they're literally like Heroes everything. Just what we prefer to give them. So I'm also gonna go jump in the bath in a minute. Say needs must, and then speak to my friend because she's gonna ring me. I mean, we basically rang each other yesterday, but whatever. So Mrs. was meant to be at the vet's today, however our vet checked her over, so she's meant to go back to the vets that belong to the dog's home that we got her from. But our vet checked her over and there's absolutely nothing wrong with her. So, because originally they thought she had a collapsed trachea. She doesn't. So that's why she's not going. I mean, she's back there on the 17th of November. To get spayed. I've broken my flipping phone that I use. That's helpful. Nope. Hugo! Breakfast time! Sky? Yours. Hugo? Whichever bowl you want, just go in. Yeah, so she's basically getting checked anyway at that point. So yeah, anyway, I'm going to quickly show you the jeans that I ordered from Asda. I basically just clicked and collected them because I knew that the day they were going to be delivered, I was out. So it was just easy to get them clicked and collected. And I just went for a black pair. I mean, I used to have a black pair years ago, but obviously with my changing sizes and stuff, I just went for a high-rise jegging with like special fabric, I presume. I don't know. It's basically just an eco set, so I'm going to wear them later for college. So I'm going to wear one set while I'm at home with these two, because the dog hairs and everything get literally all over. Oh, Sky, you've eaten your brother's dog meat. That's not fair. get you some. Just a little pest for that. Otherwise the brother doesn't get it. No. Chico, should we get you some dog meat? So, I don't know why she does that, but she does. And she's a little pest for it. So, yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna go and make breakfast again for Mr. Man. I don't know, he's having some. He's got him on his sister's. They literally just swap and change bowls all the time, which is bad. Yeah, so I'm just gonna throw out the old bananas. Yeah, some new ones. So like I said, we had the electricians in yesterday, so I really didn't get time to like vlog or anything, so you guys won't have seen my new nails. Just went for a basic grey because I'm a basic bitch. Oh, good boy. So yeah, I'm gonna go run my bath and I'll speak to you all after my bath when I'm a little bit more awake, because right now I'm really not. So yeah, I'm just gonna run my bath.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise.
So bath is done, skincare done. Yeah, so I'm somewhat dressed for college. I'm gonna change my jeans a little bit later. No, Sky, get off. It's because I tapped my leg. My mistake. Go on. No, Sky, down, down. Honestly, this is what happens with missus. I'm gonna let them out in the garden again. This is the jumper that I'm gonna wear to college with my black jeans. Just, yeah. So I'm also gonna pack my college bag now, simply because by the time everything rolls around, I want to be able to leave the house by 12:20 because I have to be in college for 1, but I want to be able to like grab a coffee and do all that stuff. So I need to make sure I have literally everything ready again, which is just a nightmare. Like, I've just got so much on at the minute. So yeah, I'm pinging. No, it's my friend. So yeah, like I've just got so much stuff at the minute, and I'm gonna get more stuff given to me today because that is college. And then Sunday I'm gonna be sat probably all day at my desk, purely because I have to get college work done. I've also got to edit a load of videos, and it's just one of them, like, you just deal with it. So I'm just trying to pack this bag, make sure I have everything that I need. Driving glasses. This ain't not nice. So I have in my bag some hand sanitizer. But yeah, honestly today is just, it's a half day in college, so I'm in 1 till 4. So it's not like the world's longest day in college, which is great because I'm absolutely shattered. So I'm just packing this bag because, like I say, I need to make sure that I have everything that I could possibly need. So yeah, put like my diary because I like to write down when deadlines and things are, or when I'm in class. Only because I used to do the open uni. I'm going back to the open uni I think next year, potentially. Yeah, so that is kind of what's going on. I'm also going to take a phone charger, and I still get a break today, which is fabulous. I will also be taking like a, they're just doing their own thing. I will be taking like a picture of my outfit when I'm dressed. I'm making sure that that's up, because yeah, you know when you just want to get a cute picture, that's what I want to do today. So I'll probably take it behind me on like this wall. I mean, I'll move these out, but I just want to get a cute picture. And yeah, I'm gonna go make some breakfast now because it is quite late for like breakfast and stuff, but hey ho. So I'm gonna let these two out in the garden, and yeah, like put stuff in the dishy and just get stuff done. I'm also probably gonna make a brew in a bit because I don't want to drink. But I'm just gonna make a coffee, I think. Honestly, today is just one of those days where I'm just like constantly running around because I have so much that needs to be done before I head out at 12:20. I'm gonna have dinner, I'm gonna have breakfast, but I might just have lunch instead. It's not the end of the world. So yes, that is the plan, I think. I'm gonna pack 2 drinks of Lucozade just because it gives you a break from wearing your mask, and yeah, and then I'm gonna drive into college. Like last week I took these 2 in because I didn't know what was going on with my course. I didn't know whether I was on it, whether I wasn't on it, but now I know what is going on. But yeah, let's let these 2 out in the garden. Come on then, you two. Gonna go in the garden. So that is the plan. Now put this back out in the garden. So 2 minutes. So I have some breakfast. I've also got the dishwasher on, so that's what you can hear. And I'm gonna watch some TV, just chill. That's pretty much my plan, I think. Because honestly, I just need to chill out. Yeah, which is good. So we've just got Mrs. in the garden again. I'm gonna have a drink in a minute. Sky, come on. Come on, Mrs. But yeah, let my hair dry. Just so run down. Mrs, come on. Go. Yeah, like I said, I'm gonna make myself a brew. It's not that much to do. Like I said, I've got the dishwasher on, so that's what you can hear. I mean, we are changing the dishwasher when we get the new kitchen, because needs must. Because this one doesn't really work that well. So when Ren change our kitchen soon, in like 2 months, it's fine, it's gonna be changed. So I'm just gonna make another brew of coffee. Like, I don't normally drink this much coffee, but because I am in college all day, not all day, but like this afternoon, I need to be at least awake. So I'm gonna make myself a caramel, just normal brew. So I just use the Freedom caramel syrup. Honestly, it's not the best thing. Definitely not Slimming World friendly, but I mean it kind of is, because as long as you only use a teaspoon, then you're good to go. I use more than that, so I like not on plan, but hey ho. Yeah. So right now we are gonna sit and have this. I'm gonna charge up my phone. I'm just watching them fight over biscuits. It's hilarious. There's like 2 bowls of biscuits and they're fighting over it. So, yeah. Let's make this broom. I'm also gonna, like I said, put in 2 Lucozades into my bag. I'll show you the Lucozades that we get. Lucozade Zero. It's the only one I will drink. And I go through it like anything. So right now we have this. So I'm just gonna pack 2 only because I might need to. I'm also in college tomorrow, so if I don't drink those today, I've got one in my bag. Yeah, tomorrow is a full day, I believe, in college, or it could be a half day, and then half day in college, but a full day of college work. But we shall see. So that is my college bag now packed. I did change my bag. I think I filmed a what's in my college bag, but I have since changed my bag to what I used to use for work because it's actually a better quality bag. So just give up, yeah, so that's time to have my brew and the phone charger. So I have got the dishwasher on, like I keep saying. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go and chill for a little bit because I need to have lunch by like 12. I just wanna like sleep or do something. Sky, there is nothing in there for you. So I'll speak to you all in a bit. So it is Friday. I am in college, but I'm not. It's kind of online classes. We went in this morning because nobody told us we were online. So I'm now just gonna make some dinner. I'm just gonna eat some hot dogs. My head is pounding because I managed to have 3 panic attacks in college, so that was terrific. It wasn't. I felt like crap. Yeah, so I'm just gonna make some hot dogs and go from there. Literally, I'm sticking in some bagels. Yeah, and go from there. Because let's be honest, just want quick and easy student lunch. So yeah, I'm just gonna use the giant ones. Honestly, my head is literally pounding. So I drove another student home first, and then I just got in. So yeah, that is what happened. So right now is lunchtime. I don't start college back up again until 1:30, so I can eat this in peace because hubby has 2 dogs. Yeah, which is fabulous. It means I actually get to eat in peace without them trying to sniffle food off me. Yeah, so that's that. And then yeah, just go from there. So that is dinner. Is that the least healthy thing? Don't care. So I want to be able to like get set up for college properly, like a drink and that kind of thing. So yeah, that is the plan. but I'm absolutely starving today because all I've eaten is one of them, the blueberry muffin, 5 bars. If I'm honest, I can probably sit and edit as well while I'm in college, which is like the worst thing to do, but hey ho. Just gonna get my laptop upstairs and do all that. So yeah, it's just kind of crazy what it brings. So I need to change my lanyard badge holder to a purple one, but it's fine. Yeah, so I need to do that. But I'm gonna grab my laptop, put it in my college bag. I'm also gonna, I think, start taking my laptop into college, just because I can then get some work done of looks like everything. So yeah, it's currently 12:15 and I'm not needed back in college until 1:30. So it's not actually that bad. So I might try and edit for a little bit while I am on my lunch break, and like we'll go from there, because once college starts up again, I'm in till I think 4, half 4, one of the two. Yeah, so right now I am going to, I mean, we'll get a break, which means I can come down and make a brew. So I'm just gonna grab my dinner and go to my office, plug everything in, make a start on editing. Last week's weekly vlog, which should have gone up and hasn't yet, so I need to do that. I also need to edit the food haul, which will probably go up Monday instead of Saturday, and just go that way about it. So yeah, I'll speak to you all in a little bit after I've had my dinner and I'm all set up for college. I'll show you like my little setup for that. But yeah, it's just honestly one of those days that has everything going on. So yeah, I'll speak to you all a bit later. So it is Sunday afternoon now, like almost early evening actually. It's 2 minutes past 4 and I've basically sat and edited a very old vlog which I want to put up. So I've done that and added a few pictures to the house and hung up a mirror that needed to be hung up. I'm just trying to get stuff done because tomorrow I have college and I want to have both vlogs edited so that they can just go up, and go from there, because really I don't have a lot of time. I've got college work to get on with, but I'm going to do that like Tuesday. I've also got a daycare visit on Tuesday, just trying to get the dogs in daycare for a Monday. It's the same place that we should have gone on last Tuesday. So I have that. It's just all fun and games. Honestly, I'm so run down and I just want to sleep, but I can't because now it's too late for me to nap. But honestly, so glad this vlog is edited. It is 34 minutes long. I don't want that. So that is the plan. So what I'm going to do is wrap this vlog up. So I'm sorry that it's probably quite a boring vlog, but I'll see you in the next one. So bye guys.